Hi, and thanks for visiting on this video. Great that you visit this video, because today I found something good, which is butter which have everything what we're looking for. So if you are interested, just stay with me and let me show you. So like you can see, all butters is here. I need to open it. This is brand new, my friend, and I want to show you. Look, this is amazing. We have unlimitedly option of our preference color. We have 2, 3, 4 and 5. So like you can see, what we have here, we have 5 with amazing color butters, which is blue, red rose, pink, gray and black. We can choose any of this. Is also on top is different colors, like you can see. Here, and here we have basically gray and black. It's almost the same. Let me tell you what is amazing in these butters. So first of all, in these butters is multifunction, okay? And what I'm talking about, this butter is amazing because it's 700 milliliters, so it's really enough for everybody. And this size of the butter is great if you want to go gym. Another thing, we have multifunction on other side, and we can use for use at home or like motivation stuff. Okay, so what we have here, you have time 8 p.m. to 2 p.m., 9 p.m. to 3 p.m., 10 to 4, and so on. Every level, so every time when you pass, it's like get started, remember your goal, keep hugging, don't give up, almost there, you did it. Okay, and this one is for motivation program. If you need to drink correct amount of water daily basis, so this butter gonna to help you at home as motivation, or at work you can have, and also you can use at the gym, because this size of the butter, it's really good to go to the gym. And if you're running on the treadmill, so you know what I'm talking about. If it's too big butter, you cannot put on the treadmill, and most of models, they have space for butter. So if it's too long, so what can fall when you're running, or also it's not stable, right? This 700 you can still put, and they will be very stable. Let's see what we have inside. Like you can see, I just open with you and I'm checking with you. So we have straw inside, okay, and this is not super cheap plastic, okay. It's plastic, but it's not cheap, it's not gonna break straight away. And we have here connector, and the connector is made from silicone, so it's bim bam, okay. And now we have something else inside the butter, which is holder. And with the holder, I'm not gonna buy butter. To push this one, you need to push a little bit, and when you screw it, you will fix it, okay. So thank you to that. If it's used, it's used. You're not gonna remove it easily back. So that means that someone used this butter already, which producer thinks really clever. Okay, this butter is very light. It's nice to hold. Okay, definitely not gonna be break if it falls. You know, like from table, if you fall, you can feel safe. And let's see here, Bach. Okay, and here we have straw system, which means, you know, possible. If not, I'm gonna tell you, this straw system is given to you opportunity, okay, because you can hold and drink. Other bottles you need to hold and drink like that, yeah, but from this bottle you can just, like baby, you can drink because the straw is helping you, okay. But now we're gonna do one more test, which I think is the most important for us, is check if it's waterproof. Okay guys, I'm closing properly and let's check if it's waterproof. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. It's not leaking. If we're doing like that, I noticed before I started recording that the little one drop can come. It's just because we have this one. If we're removing this one, there will be not leaking, but remember to close properly and strong, so will be 100% no leaking, okay? Okay, 99. I have one drop of water. So on this video and on all my videos, I'm guarantee you I'm not lying, I will tell you the truth. Also holder is very good. It's holding stable the water, and if we're, let's say, running, okay, they're not gonna leak in, right? And it's very stable. You don't need to be worried that you will lose. This I can really guarantee you. If you decide to buy exactly this, the same bottle, I put you a link when you can purchase from me. But more than that, I'm gonna give you thank you, very big thank you for that. So just comment below that you want to purchase this bottle, so I will send you special for you discount code that you will purchase for the rest price or with free shipping without any problems. That's how I like. I have control full of this what I'm gonna to offer to you, and whatever which color you will like, you can have. And one more very important thing, before you purchase, if you have some question, you wanted to make sure, or you want that I will show you some things, just comment below, so I'm definitely gonna do it for you. I'm gonna answer for every question, or even record video for you, that you will be sure that you purchase what you exactly want to buy. Thank you for today, and see you soon. Will be new video, and in there will be more excited products which I have here all around me to show to you.